Hey, what's up everybody? Pierre speaking. Here's my friend's Jeremy 2009 Crown Vic LX. Forgive the cop look, this is winter mode. Just live in Canada here, so I've done the manual swap on his car around 2011 if I remember correctly. So he's sporting my clutch pedal assembly, Hurst shifter. Every detail has been made to look this car factory. So I got Jeremy's car to do the hydraulic conversion from ADTR, so he's ready to step in with that. So like I said, he's been running my clutch pedal assembly ever since, and that cable is actually the cable that was on my own car since 2009. So that cable has been around for a long time. I get that he's running a stock pressure plate on it, so it may have helped, but I mean, you know, cable's been running ever since. It's been on my car too for many years, using a dual friction center force pressure plate, clutch pressure plate. So all that to say that if it's done properly without cutting corners, this is a very reliable swap. So that car is there to prove it. That being said, I'll be doing a whole bunch of videos for the how-to procedure with Chris kit, the hydraulic, that's been out on the market for over a year. I'm actually running the same kit on my own car, which is extremely pleasant to drive now compared to this one. I've been back and forth with my car and Jeremy's car, and it's a different animal. So hope you guys will enjoy the upcoming videos.